I would now like to invite up Judge Greg Bigler, who will offer a prayer for this evening.
I've been asked to say a prayer here, and I'm honored to do so. And with our ways, with my people, we begin our ceremonies with a prayer. That's usually the only time we have our prayers during our dances. But when our chief asked for that, would used to ask one of our older men, Newman Little Bear, to say that blessing, he'd usually stand up and say, well, I guess I can say a few words, and about 40 minutes later, we'd still be sitting there. But if we were able to still listen all the way through, we usually learned something. But after he was done with our prayer, then at our dances at Polecat, at our stomp grounds, we would hoop, which is our traditional call. Maybe it's a call of joy, maybe it was a call of war, I'm not sure sometimes. But it did two things. It expressed the joy that we had for our ceremonies. But it also was a statement to the Creator that we are still here. So I'm going to say this prayer, in our language we call a short talk. I'm going to try and thank those who are here and for their honoree. And I asked him before we began, because also my old people always said you should use your Indian names if you can. And I'm probably going to mispronounce his Pawnee name, which I think was Seta Itoa, something like that. So I'm going to try and use that as best I can. But when I finish, which in our old ways, we used to just say, Kainla, which means that's it. And then I'm going to hoop. And so any of you who may be tribal or otherwise, I'd ask you to join in that shout of joy and announcement that we are still here, whether it's a hoop or lulu or whatever it is, so that we can honor John Echohawk. So with that, let me try and say these few short words. Gahatane albif anche sen la gasada. Nechi gatleha hele sen la gothlan. Gahatane seto shanle nesha. Nechi ati sete itoa sen la gasada toyu wayoshi. Nechi gatleha eha galatzole ain't gonte. East ant ik only aga. Anchi John Echohawk wina, wegata, wetogaha, hele aga. Gahatane, he salale to you wayoshi. Nechi, gonte totohena nek alas, shinlin. Nechi, gagoplaniha, ne atwa, san lagasata. Galen.